Ivan Kuliak is a Russian artistic gymnast. He was born on February 28, 2002. Ivan Kuliak began gymnastics at age 4 in 2006 in Kaluga, Russia, when his mother enrolled him in gymnastics classes. In 2019, Kuliak became the Russian junior all-around and floor champion and the silver medalist on horizontal bar. In 2022, he provoked outrage by wearing a jet sticker on his chest during the medal ceremony in support of the Russian invasion of Ukraine during the World Cup competition in Doha. Kuliak's action came under heavy fire on social media, with fans labeling his actions disgusting and shameful, while others asked for him to be punished. He represented Russia at the 2019 European Youth Summer Olympic Festival and won the silver medal in the individual all-around, a bronze on floor and steel rings, and a silver medal as part of the Russian team. In 2019, he received the title Master of Sports. In March 2022, Kuliak wore a jet sticker on his chest during the medal ceremony of the parallel bars competition at the 2022 FIG Artistic Gymnastics World Cup Series in Doha. Jet, a letter which is not part of Cyrillic alphabets, is commonly used by Russian invading forces in Ukraine and means Jab Povedi for victory. Ivan Kuliak took bronze in the parallel bars at the Artistic Gymnastics World Cup in Doha. Kuliak displayed the symbol while standing on the podium next to a Ukrainian athlete, Ilya Kovtun, who won the event. The FIG prior to the competitions decided to exclude Russian athletes from the competition, but the prohibition only entered in force on 7 March. The jet represents victory in Russian and has been displayed on tanks and other military vehicles during the invasion of Ukraine. When used by civilians like Kuliak, it expresses support for Putin's actions.